Welcome to Tech HQ. Today, episode about major players of desktop CPU market. AMD Ryzen 9950X versus Intel Ultra 9 285K. Choose a product you don't really need. Know all the fancy stuff about computer parts. Since the beginning, computer system architecture does not change very much. Today, we are going to talk about what really matters, how to unpack real-world performance from specifications provided by manufacturer. Watch until end. Subscribe our channel, keep touch with latest develop episodes. Let's moving to physical design of both CPU. Intel Ultra 9 285K. Intel made 285K using 6 individual tiles to gather, most of them manufacture in TSMC, using 3nm process. However, Intel still use old-class 22nm process for manufacture 285K base tile. Other hand, AMD completely use TSMC's advanced 4nm process, build new 9950X CPU. Specification: AMD Ryzen 9950X came with 16 core and 32 threads. Intel Ultra 9 285K have 8 performance core and 16 efficiency cores and total 24 threads. Cache memory consider as really important fact, impact on CPU real-world performance. Intel Ultra 9 285K have 36 megabytes of L3 cache, and AMD have much bigger 64 megabytes L3 cache memory. Ryzen 9950X base clock 4.3 GHz and boost clock 5.7 GHz. Intel base clock 3.7 GHz and boost clock 5.6 GHz. Compare size of chiplet. I noticed AMD chiplet size significant small than Intel. Transistors count of AMD 16 billion and 630 million. Other hand, Intel 17 billion and 800 million. Max power consumption AMD Ryzen 9950X 170 watts and Intel Ultra 9 285K 125 watts. Let's moving for benchmark results. Geekbench 6 single-core score Ryzen 9 9950X is 3,435, and Ultra 9 285K is 3,370. Multi-core score Ryzen 9 9950X is 21,756, and Intel Ultra 9 285K is 23,120. Cinebench R23 single-core Ryzen 9 9950X is 2,240, and Ultra 9 285K is 2,320. R23 multi-core Ryzen 9 9950X is 41,120, and Intel Ultra 9 285K is 41,560. Cinebench 2024 single-core score Ryzen 9 9950X is 137, and Ultra 9 285K is 142. Multi-core score Ryzen 9 9950X is 2,297, and Intel Ultra 9 285K is 2,359. You can notice some degree of improvement in Ultra 9 285K. It may be result of transistors count gap. Real-world illustration indicating Ryzen 9 9950X more capable for executing heavy load programs, mostly graphics-intensive workloads. Processing node matters. Only small size node doesn't make CPU faster, but the most important thing is how many transistors are in the package. Only thing CPU makes faster is adding more transistors into small package. Other's hand, I/O is important because the generation of the interface, input and output, defines how much faster data passes within parts. How much instructions can access nearby CPU cores play a significant impact on increasing numbers of instructions per cycle. Large cache memory helps increase IPC efficiency. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for latest updates.